experts in legal malpractice. Do we need them? Good afternoon. I'm attorney Neil Burns, and I want to talk with you today about whether we need them and why we need them. And the answer is we do need them in legal malpractice cases in Massachusetts if we file suit. And sometimes even before we file suit, if we want to try to settle a case, proving to the other side that we have an expert ready to testify. The experts are going to testify on three things. And the experts are lawyers, so we need to hire a lawyer to prove that your lawyer screwed up, that your lawyer was negligent. First, the expert has to show that there was an attorney-client relationship. Frequently, that's not an issue. The attorney filed suit, the attorney sent letters out on your behalf. Sometimes it's complicated. That's the first step. Second step is we have to prove that the attorney, the negligent attorney, violated his or her duty of reasonable care to the client. And that's the complicated part, because the attorney has to say what was reasonable. Not the best possible care, but the reasonable care in litigating your case or prosecuting your case through the system. And number three, was there harm as a result of this? Frequently, someone will screw up, but there's not harm. For example, somebody rear-ends you, they get out, they're mean, they're cruel, they get arrested for drunken driving. If you're not hurt, you don't have a case. In a legal malpractice case, we have to prove that you are harmed because of the attorney's malpractice, the attorney's negligence. And finally, we have to have the attorney show what the damages would be or would have been had you had the chance to have a good attorney represent you. There was a case in 1985 against attorney Louis Saab, and in that case, the Supreme Judicial Court said that expert testimony is generally necessary to establish that an attorney failed to meet the standard of care. In that case, the attorney's malpractice case went through because he failed to, and in that case was against attorney Louis Saab. We did not prosecute that case. However, I had a case against attorney Louis Saab back in the 90s, a few years after this, and he clearly violated the standard of care, and we had an expert in that case. If you have a legal malpractice case, call us. We're used to working with experts. We can get an expert to represent the damages for you in your case. We want to work with you. We will work with you. I've been practicing law for 35 years here in Massachusetts. My partner, Rashan Jan, is in court all the time representing victims of legal malpractice. Give us a call. It's a free initial consultation. We want to help you. Thank you very much.